Every year, Pakistan's silkworm industry begins with carefully grown mulberry leaves. Fresh mulberry leaves are the foundation of Pakistan's massive silkworm production. Healthy feeding allows silkworm populations to grow rapidly. Precise environmental control keeps the silkworms healthy. Large-scale feeding operations sustain enormous silkworm populations. A constant supply of mulberry leaves keeps production moving. Within weeks, the silkworms approach their final growth stage. The next phase begins as silkworms prepare to spin silk cocoons. Soon, these delicate cocoons will enter Pakistan's silk production chain. Once spinning is complete, the silk cocoons are carefully harvested. Every cocoon must be handled gently to protect the valuable silk fibers. Collected cocoons are organized for transport to silk processing facilities. At the loading bay, cocoons are prepared for safe transportation. At the loading bay, cocoons are prepared for safe transportation. Special transport crates help preserve cocoon quality during transit. Forklifts move thousands of co. Each truck carries a valuable shipment of silk-producing cocoons. The harvested cocoons now begin their journey to processing. The harvested cocoons now begin their journey to processing. Ahead lies the next stage in Pakistan's remarkable silk production process. The harvested silkworm cocoons now reach Pakistan's silk processing facility. At the receiving dock, the cocoons are prepared for factory processing. Thousands of cocoons arrive, ready for the next stage of production. Inside, massive operations transform cocoons into valuable silk. The first factory process begins with controlled sorting of silk cocoons. Every cocoon is checked before entering the cleaning system. Industrial cleaning removes impurities from the harvested cocoons. Uniformity plays a major role in silk production efficiency. Skilled workers ensure only the best cocoons move forward. Selected cocoons are gathered for large-scale silk extraction. Automation keeps the cocoon flow steady and efficient. Now the cocoons are ready to reveal the silk hidden inside. The transformation begins as silk cocoons enter the extraction process. Warm water loosens the silk fibers surrounding each cocoon. Each cocoon contains a remarkably long, continuous silk filament. The delicate silk threads are carefully reeled. Thousands of cocoons contribute to a single stream of raw silk. raw silk gradually accumulates onto industrial winding reels. The extracted silk now moves toward advanced refinement. The raw silk is now ready for its next stage of refinement and transformation. The journey from cocoon to refined silk continues. Careful washing prepares the silk for further processing. Controlled drying preserves the strength of the silk fibers. Uniform alignment ensures smooth downstream processing.
Automation now takes control of the refined silk flow.
The refined silk is transformed into standardized production spools. From one control center, operators oversee the entire silk operation. The next stage focuses on precision, consistency, and final perfection. The finishing process enhances the consistency of every silk strand. Careful finishing improves the quality of the final silk.
Protective wrapping preserves silk quality during storage. Finished silk products are prepared for final verification.
Before shipment, every batch must pass strict quality checks. Every production batch begins its final journey through quality control. The first inspection focuses on appearance and consistency. Production data and laboratory results must match perfectly. Microscopic analysis reveals the finest details of silk quality. Uniform silk fibers ensure predictable performance. Only approved silk earns certification for shipment. The final stage prepares Pakistan silk for customers around the world. After passing inspection, the silk enters its final packaging stage. Packaging protects the silk throughout storage and transportation.
Every carton is sealed to maintain product integrity.
Traceability follows every carton through the supply chain. The packaged silk is organized for efficient storage. Large warehouses prepare the silk for worldwide distribution.
The final shipment process is ready to begin.